Namaste student. Here we are going to start a new chapter, that is factorization. So in this chapter, what things we're going to see? We'll see what is factor, what is factorization, and the method to find the factorization. So here we have 6 types in your syllabus. There are lots of factorizations you will see in the higher classes, but right now in class 8 you have 6 types. So we'll discuss each of them, not in this video. In this video we'll be going to discuss only 3 types factorization. Okay. And before starting that, let's discuss what is factorization. So here the factorization means the process of finding 2 or more expressions as the product of given expression. So whose product is the given expression? That means let's take one example like 2x square plus 10. If we take 2x square plus 10, what you can see that there is 2 common in both. Like this can be written as 2x square can be written as 2 into x and 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So if you look at here, that you can see that highest common factor. That means to find your factor or to go for factorization, you need to know how to take out highest common factor. So here you can see that your highest common factor is 2. Now you take your 2 outside, you can see that remaining part is your x square. So we'll write here x square, and remember if we take out this 2, whatever remains, that is 5, we'll take here plus 5. If it is minus, we'll take here minus. So this is your expression, and here this one is your expression, and this is constant number. But here you can see that this is factor of this one, and this one is also the factor of this. The factor means what? Like if I take 6 and if I say that the factors of 6 are what? Factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. That means whenever you divide 6 by the factor of that 6, you will get remainder 0. That means if I take here 1, if I divide it, 1 6 6, we will get 0. So if we go for the 2, we will go for 2 here, 2, 3 here, 6, you will get remainder 0. If we go for 3, we will get remainder 0. So the factor means which give you remainder 0. Okay, in short form we can say. Now here in algebraic expression, what are those the factors? Here we have the definition that when an algebraic expression can be written as a product of 2 or more expression, then each term of this expression is called factor of the given expression. So in number we are getting number only, but now we have expression, so our answer may be in expression, may be in number. Like if you see here, in this case you can see that 2 is the number only, and if you look at here x square plus 5, this 2 is also an expression constant is there, and if you look at this x square plus 5, it is an expression. Okay, so whenever you get expression, your factor may be in expression. Okay, generally in expression. In some cases you may get the number. So now our target for what? This and this. First 3. Here we have 6. Let's little bit discuss about this 6 type. What are those? Okay. So so here the first one, if you look at the first one, that is where a common monomial is there in each term. Common monomial means like if I take 4x square plus 6x plus 8, could you see that it is your trinomial, and you can see that this is 1, 2, 3 is there. So here you can find a common number. In each term you can find the common. You can write here x, y also, and you can write here y square also. And if you write here x, then you may get more number in common. So if you see the common in this part, you write here y. You can see that there are two common in each term and y common in each term. So here monomial is, if we take out this 4, not 4, only 2 will be there and y. This is your monomial, 2y is monomial. So here if we take out the 2y, whatever remain will be your one factor, and what is in the what is outside of the bracket will get, that is also a factor. So this is one type of your common monomial occur in the each term process. You can see that. Sorry. So now second one, factorization when a binomial is common. So we'll see this one when binomial is common, and factorization by grouping. Factorization where a given expression is difference of 2 square. 2 square means a square minus b square concept. When we'll apply this one, we'll see. Third one, expression is in perfect square. That means a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. We'll use this too. And the last one is very much important. Sometimes we call this as splitting method, midterm splitting method. We'll see this one. So for this, factorization of quadratic trinomial. So you can see that this is a quadratic trinomial, not quadratic. As this is a cubic, you can see that not a cubic trinomial, because here 3 degrees 3 will not go for this type of thing. Our expression would be look like this: ax square plus bx plus c, or x square plus px plus q. This type of two expression will get in this chapter. So let's start with the first one. We'll go with the first one. Already we have started, so I stopped there. So let's start that one first. Our first target is this one, common monomial. So in this case, what we have to do? First, we need to think about the HCF. HCF. Find the HCF of the numbers. You have 4, 6, 8. Find their HCF. So 4, 6, 8. The HCF is 2. No need to show that you are getting the how to find the HCF. Just do in your mind that 4, 6, 8, the highest common factor is 2. So we'll take out 2. Now if you look at here, x square y, x square y, you can take it x into y. And if you look at this one, xy, you can break it here x into y. And last one, that is y square, that is y into y. So out of this all, you can see the common factor is what? Y. The common factor is y. So we'll take that y outside. Now we have a monomial outside. And whatever you have taken out will not repeat it here. That means already we have taken out 2 outside. So we'll not keep our 2 here. That means we'll divide it by 2. We'll divide the whole thing, this whole thing by 2y, because we have taken out 2y outside. So we need to divide this whole thing by 2y. Already we have done this type of thing in your previous chapter, that is operation of LW expression. So in that, how to divide by monomial. So if we use the monomial here, that is y square, 4xy square by 2y. So what will we get? We get 2 to cancel here, and the y will cancel. So we cannot cancel like this, we have to write like this. So we are getting here 2xy. So first term will be 2xy. Similarly, if we go for this one, we will get here 3x. And if we go for this one, sorry, x square will be here. I missed this one. We need to write x square. And here we get here 4y. So this is your factorization form. That means 2y. If anyone would ask you what is the factor of this, So you will get here 2y, and another factor is 2x square y plus 3x plus 4y. Okay, this is one kind of method. Now you may get different problems where factorization when a binomial is common. जब आपको binomial common मिलेंगे, let's see what type of question it would be. So here it may be like this, like if I take the 5x, 2y plus j, and another will get here plus 7x, 2y plus j. So if you look at this one, what you can see that 2y plus j and 2y plus j is common in both the expression. So here we will take our binomial common, 2y plus j outside. So if we take 2y plus j outside, what we get here? Already we have taken this one outside, so we need to divide it, both the term by 2y plus j. Remember, whatever you will take outside the bracket, you need to divide it by that expression or that by number. So here we are getting this 2y plus j. Now if you take this expression, that is your 5x and 2y plus j, and you divide it by 2y plus j, what will we get? We get here 5x, and that only we are going to write in the bracket here, that is 5x. Now similarly, if you see here, if we divide this term by 5y, 2y plus j, it will get 7x. So we will keep it here plus 7x. Now if you see that both the terms are like terms. If both are like terms, we can add it. But if you think that it is not a like term, we will take it here. If it is a like term, we can write here 12x. No problem. That is okay. But if it is not like that, if we get any something here b, then you will get 7b. This is your answer. You can see that these two are the factors of this whole expression. ये पूरी एक्सप्रेशन का फैक्टर कौन होगा? ये होगा. अगर पहले जो लिखे थे यहाँ पे 7, तो हमारे 7x, हमारे आंसर क्या हो जाएंगे? 2y plus j plus 12x. So you can keep your 12x, not this side, it's not good, standard. So we take this 12x this side, so our answer will be 12x into, nothing means there's into 2y plus j. So 12x and 2y plus j are the factors of the above expression. So this is second type. Now we are going to see the third type. In the third type, what is here? In the third type, rearranging, grouping. हम लोग अरेंज करेंगे. आपको डेटा में से डेटा तो नहीं खाएंगे, एक्सप्रेशन उलट पलट कर दे दिया जाएगा और आपको फैक्टराइज करने पड़ेंगे. इन दैट केस आप देख के आपको लगेगा कि इसमें तो कोई कॉमन ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो कैसे करके करेंगे. बट अगर एक टर्म को इधर से उधर ला सकते हैं, क्योंकि एडिंग एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो विल यूज़ हियर कॉम्पिटिटिव लॉ और फिर देखेंगे कि हमें कॉमन मिलेंगे. कॉमन मिलने के बाद वो एक बाइनोमियल के रूप ले सकते हैं या मोनोमियल में काम चल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बाइनोमियल का रूप ले सकता है. ज़्यादातर बाइनोमियल ले लेंगे आपके सिलेबस के हिसाब से, नहीं तो भी ज़्यादा ले लेते हैं. बाइनोमियल मिल जाएंगे और फिर बाइनोमियल में जो प्रोसेस है ये यहाँ तक आपको मिलेंगे. मिलने के बाद ये प्रोसेस जो आप देखें इसको आपको रिपीट करने पड़ेंगे वहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. तो लेट्स सी वन प्रॉब्लम वी हैव. सो आई विल टेक द फ्रॉम द बुक ओनली. हमारे पास दो प्रॉब्लम है related to your factorization by grouping. So here what we're going to do, we'll see that if we take a common, you cannot see any common between these two, because there is a square and there is a b plus b into c, so no common is there. So either you take ac this side or you can take ab. So that is your choice. It depends on you that how you are going to take and how you get the fact. So let's see, if I take here a square and ab this side, this is your, and here ac plus Basically, you can keep it like this. No problem. You can arrange in according to your wish, as commutative law is value here. Now, if you see here a square and there is ab, you can see that a is common in both the term. That means you can take out a, and if you take out a, that means you need to divide this both term by a. If we divide this term by a, we will get here a and we will get here b. Similarly, if you see here, you can see that c is common. So if I take c common, you can see that a and there is a b. So now in this, what you can see that a plus b, that's the binomial is common right now. So binomial. So we take out this a plus b outside. If we take out a plus b outside, what you need to do? Divide the term by the things which you have taken common. So that means we get from here a, and there is a plus c. So we'll write here plus c. Generally, whatever number we have taken till now or expression we have taken, just we are taking the plus only. It's not necessary that it should be plus. It may be minus. Okay. Now if I give the minus, we will get the minus. No problem. But here we are getting these two factors. So this whole thing, no need to break it. You keep your answer in the form of this. And whenever factorization will be given, remember this expression and this expression means whenever factors would be there, or whenever you express as a product of factors, only the first bracket. Use the first bracket. Simplified it, keep it in a simplified form. So this is already in a simplified form. We'll see in the next video hard problems. Whenever we see, then we can see that how to keep the result in the simplified form and keeping the first bracket, remember. Okay, till now whatever we have in our syllabus, generally we are getting in simplified form only. Okay, we'll see in the next video. I hope you people have enjoyed.